when you land on the PulseChain.com website, there's nothing too exciting going on there. All you get is this: the Pulse testnet is live. Currently, the second version of the PulseChain testnet is live with validator rotation, registration, and staking, etc., etc. Nothing much to get excited about, but there is something to get excited about, and that is some massive news for PulseChain. This is MoneyGang Crypto, who's brought us a really cool video here with some great information, so we'll just check this one out.
The idea behind it is West Coast has made a Fiat on-ramp, off-ramp for PulseChain. The idea behind it is you would take your Fiat money and you'd be able to purchase stablecoin that will be on PulseChain that you can directly convert to Pulse. Here's one of the benefits that he's been talking about, is that when you purchase and when you cash out on PulseChain, that it burns up HEX. It burns supply of HEX. That's something that they're trying to implement within the Fiat on-ramp and off-ramp, which is really, really cool. So shout out to OX Coast for doing that and potentially bring that about. OX Coast is...
So some of the tools are coming into place for PulseChain even before its launch. This would be great news. Would stop us from having to spend time and money bridging in and bridging out. You could buy your stablecoin directly with your fiat currency, on ramp, off ramp, etc. And also the second part, trying to burn HEX. Now that would be great. So this is all going on in the background on the testnet. So just a little bit of news there for you. In other news, HEX has surged up. I think it was more than that. It was up to around 25% up in about 24 hours, or slightly longer than 24 hours. I think it's now settled down closer to the 10% up, but it's on the move. So this is something that we haven't seen too often in this period where it's been pretty much moving sideways. So that's some good news there for the price of HEX. And I'll just leave you with this one, because if you see this in your window, your chances of getting killed by a cow are low, but they're never zero. So if you ever see this coming out your window, beware, beware.